Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2014 Honda CBR600RR. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's get a close look at this Honda. It is HPI clear. It does come with a spare key in the pack as well. It is in gloss black. We'll do a start at the front. We'll work all the way around the bike. Get a good close look at the condition. So we'll start at this left hand side. Does have an adjustable fork on the front. Let's get a look at the plastics. Let's get the R&G frame bungs on it as well, frame protection bungs. Let's get a look at the side of the tank and the side of the seat. See, it's got an Optimate lead on there as well. Get a good look at the chain and sprocket. It's got the R&G paddock stand bobbins as well there. Let's get a good look over the top of the seat. We'll get a look over the top of the tank as well. And let's move over to the back of the bike. Get a look at it from the back. Look at the exhaust. We'll move around to the right hand side. We'll do the same again. We'll get a good look over the side plastics, side of the seat, side of the tank. Just move these bars over a bit. There you go. So we can get a full look at everything on there, on the fairing as well. Get a look at the back pads. Plenty on them. Let's get a look low down as well. And we'll finish up at the front on this right hand side. We'll go and take a look up at the dash and controls and get the exact mileage off it. Okay, let's have a look up the controls. So you've got your throttle, your front brake, your kill switch and your starter on that side. And over on the other side, you've got your clutch, you've got your lights, your indicators, your horn and your hazards. So let's pop the ignition on. Let's have a look at the mileage. And it's done 15,329. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close up, we can do that and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.walkaround.co.uk. www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you can call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.